Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. Now today let's study one of the important methods of synthesis of primary amines, that is called Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis. In Gabriel Thalamide synthesis, thalamide is treated with alcoholic KOH, and this is important synthesis of forming primary amines. So it is used to form primary amines, and in this method a pure primary amines are formed as it don't give secondary or tertiary amines. This is thalamide, and thalamide on treatment with alcoholic KOH. If we treat this with KOH alcoholic, then what happens? This H is replaced by this K. Here we will get K in place of H. Simply like this. C double bond O, then here N K, where K will acquire positive charge, and this is, and this so formed is called as potassium thalamide. And the potassium thalamide so formed, if we treat it with some alkyl halide like this C2H5Br and heat it, then we are going to get a compound like this. In this step of reaction, this will react with this. Suppose if we have taken ethyl bromide, then KBr will be leave forming this compound, and this on hydrolysis, if we hydrolyze this, for hydrolysis we can write OH minus and H2O, or we can write H plus and H2O. Both of them can be written on the arrow, चाहे आप OH minus ऑब्लिक H2O लिख लें या H plus H2O लिख लें, दोनों लिखा जा सकता है. Then we will have a compound like this. Plus C2H5NH2, and this is the required primary amines. So primary amines can be prepared by Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis, and it is particularly used for formation of primary amines, as secondary and tertiary amines are not formed in this case. So if thalamide is treated with KOH alcoholic, we will get potassium thalamide, which on treatment with some aryl or alkyl halides we get this salt, and further on hydrolysis of this we are going to get phthalic acid and ethylamine. This is phthalic acid. This is ethylamine, which is a primary amine. So this is the method. Hope that you might have understood the method well or the formation well, and this is an important question for NCERT 2024. This may be asked in the exam, so prepare it well. The Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Thanks all for the day. Thank you for watching my channel.